Past a match tide, I don't need that. I'm really going. Apart from beat the clock and full count anyway, but...
Don't bite.
Oh look, it's still that.
She licks and then she tries to bite, and I don't think she means it aggressively. She gets a little bit confused, you know, because she's very anxious still.
Yeah. I always will get control.
Don't do that.
You know what? That's not actually bad.
Don't do that.
Only £17.
That's fine, you can lick in, but you can't chewies.
What about automation signature?
You can feel the pressure on that stick, you know, when she clamps it.
Yeah.
Oh, that could be my stomach.
Oh, no, don't go for that. What's that? Oh no.
Let's kiss. I love you. I love you.
No, £79. No. I want
Well, now she wants to get to my face so she can groom me. Take the odd peck, take the odd eyeball out.
I might go for signature.
She's really relaxed at the moment. I can feel it in her body.
What she needs, some quality time.
Oh, I know you're busy. Well, if he loves you, doesn't he, Mum? You know it's supposed
She's
to
certainly bonded with me.
You know it's supposed
I've
to
got a way to go yet, because she doesn't trust me fully, but she's let me touch the back of her neck. Surely that's good. You know? Yeah, so cute. Is that
You know
good?
it's Dad's bird. Doesn't matter.
Like everything else in my life, Sid, only in name.
And look, oh yes, I'm bird. Finally someone I can bond with, and now look at it. It's muddled up with Mum.
If I come within a certain radius, she starts tearing at my skin.
No, you can't get all champions.
Kiss.
Hello?
Actually, I don't know.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, Dad,
Yeah.
can you help me decide something?
No, I'm not going to decide what card you're getting, Sid.
No, I just need help deciding, you know.
No.
Oh, she's like she's purring. She's got nice little feathers coming through underneath.
I feel so jealous. I really do. I want that's just jealousy. Mum,
Yeah, this is Dad's bird.
Yeah.
if we just wait a
Dad's
couple,
dream pet.
Yeah.
if we just wait a couple of months, so I'd sell him, will Carly